Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm diving into something that's not just cool but potentially game-changing. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus. From transforming our workplaces to making our homes smarter, let's take a look at how the Tesla bot might redefine our reality. Alright, so here's the scoop. Unveiled by Elon Musk, the Tesla bot, officially named Optimus, aims to tackle the tasks we humans find dangerous, repetitive, or just plain boring. Picture this, it stands at 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs around 125 pounds. With advanced AI systems and 8 autopilot cameras, this robot can navigate and interact with its environment effortlessly. This isn't just some sci-fi dream, Optimus is already a functioning prototype. Recent demos have shown it walking, carrying objects, and even doing tasks like watering plants. Imagine a future where these robots handle household chores, assist in caregiving, and take over other mundane tasks, giving us more time for the stuff we love. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture: industries. Optimus could revolutionize sectors like manufacturing. With the ability to work continuously, without breaks, it could boost productivity and cut down operational costs. And by taking over repetitive and hazardous tasks, it not only makes workplaces more efficient, but also safer. But what about the economic implications? Companies could save big on labor costs, and that might mean lower prices for US consumers. However, this shift could also lead to job displacement. We're looking at a future where reskilling programs become essential to prepare the workforce for new roles in an automated world. And then there are the ethical and social considerations. As we stand on the brink of a robotic revolution, we need to think about privacy, security, and our potential over-reliance on machines. Open dialogues and regulatory frameworks will be crucial to navigate these challenges responsibly. Looking ahead, Elon Musk envisions mass-producing Optimus with a price tag between $20,000 and $30,000. Some experts think it could take 5 years or more before we see these robots in our homes, but given the rapid advancements in AI and robotics, it might be sooner than we think. So, what do you think about having a humanoid robot in your home or workplace? What tasks would you delegate to Optimus? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in AI innovations. Thanks for watching.